Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the class with Dr. Samiksha Kapala. And today we are going to revise chapter number 7 of Crystal Semester 1 book, The Parade. As exams are overhead and we don't have much time, so I will be doing a quick revision session with all of you so that you are very nicely prepared for your exam. And so let's start without wasting any time. So my dear students, we are going to start with the revision presentation of the Parade chapter of Crystal Semester 1 book. Yes, so first of all, I would like to do the difficult words of this chapter with you. First is Republic, then is Parade, Family, Front, National, Anthem. Next are Helicopter, Showered, Rumbling, Trumpets, Marching, Soldiers, Floats, Inventions, Colorful, Saffron, Scenes, Favorite. So my dear students, we all know this chapter 7, The Parade, is a story. It's not a story. It's just a small, instance taken from from the life of a little girl who's Kamla. Now there is a girl called Kamla and she's living in New Delhi. And on the event of Republic Day, that is 26th January, she goes with her family to watch the Republic Day parade. Now she's going to watch the Republic Day parade with her family, and all of them are sitting in the front row. Remember, they're sitting in the front row, and she has went with her mother, with her father and brother, whose name is Anil. Now Kamala and her family were sitting in the front row. They stood up to sing the national anthem. So what has happened in the beginning of the parade? They have stood up for the national anthem. And which is the national anthem of India? It is Jan Gan Man. Now coming to the next. Now, what has started after national anthem? What has started? There is a helicopter which flew over their head and it showers rose petals. Which flowers petals it showers? Rose petals on everyone. Now, after the helicopter, you can see in this picture, there is a helicopter, and after the helicopter come the tanks, trucks, and jeeps. And when the tank, trucks, and jeep, they come, they make which kind of sound? They have that rumbling sound. What is rumbling? Rumbling means a low and continuous sound. Now they make a rumbling sound, and then what happens? Then came the army bands. You can see in the next picture over here, there comes an army band, and after the army bands, what happens? First of all, you need to know that when the army bands come, they play trumpets and drums. What are they playing? They're playing trumpets and drums, followed by the marching soldiers and school boys and girls. You can see this is an army band in red dress. They are using trumpets and drums. Then there is marching of soldiers. In the end are boys and girls, right? Now, after the helicopter comes the tanks, trucks, and jeeps, and after tanks, trucks, and jeeps come the army bands. After army bands, there is a troop of soldiers. After the soldiers, there are boys and girls. Now, what happens after boys and girls? Now, there are floats. What are floats? Floats are basically, they're a part of parade which depict various scenes. They can be scenes from the culture of different states. They can be scenes of different inventions that our country has recently made. So, on the floats, the most interesting part of the parade, there were trucks which carried scenes from real life, from different states of India. For example, there will be a float from Jammu Kashmir, there will be a state from Manipur, from Mizoram, from Punjab, from Kerala, from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, etc. From all the states of the India, right? Then Kamla's favorite float was Inventions. You need to remember which is the favorite float for Kamla. It is Inventions. The floats were followed by colorful dancers, and Kamla and her brother danced too. Now, the floats are followed by colorful dancers, and who's dancing? Kamla and her brother are dancing with those dancers. Now, then they saw jet planes. Can you see these beautiful jet planes, which are, blowing this smoke of different three colors? The three colors represent the flag of India. This is saffron, white, and green color. They saw the jet planes. The smoke from the planes was in saffron, white, and green color, just like the Indian national flag. All right. Now, this is the back exercise. Let's revise the word meanings. Parade. Parade means marching or walking in large numbers as part of a public celebration. Showered means light fall of small objects through the air. Then there is rumbling, a low and continuous sound. Then there are floats, vehicles with platforms to carry scenes in a parade. And then there are inventions. Inventions are something that are made for the first time. And remember, which was Kamla's favorite invention? It was the which was the Kamla's favorite float? It was the float of inventions. Remember that. So thank you so much. I hope that you people have revised the chapter nicely. Just go through it once again. And in case of any doubts, just let me know in the comment section. Bye-bye.